How to check audio properties in Ocean Audio. First of all, open the Ocean Audio software and load the audio file you want to inspect. You can do this by either dragging and dropping the file into the main window or using the open option in the file menu. Once the file is loaded, you will see the waveform of the audio. To check the properties, select the audio file and right-click on it. From the options, choose Audio Properties. This will open a new window with detailed information about your audio file such as its sample rate, bit depth, duration, file format, artist, album, track name, and more. If you need more specific details such as the number of channels, the codec used, and other technical specification, you can choose from additional tabs like Details, Artwork, Extension, Markers, and Statistics to explore more about the audio properties. And that's it. Now you know how to check audio properties in Ocean Audio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.